alone life. Now we feeling it again. Better hold tight. We on this ride that never ends. Going all night. Can you feel this energy? This is where we're meant to be.
Hello guys, for today's video, gagawa po tayo ng wet throw. Ito po yung sinasabi nilang Hollywood waves. So, papakita ko lang yung simpleng paggawa ko. So, watch nyo po until the end. Maraming salamat. So, hindi ko pa po binodry agad. So, first, kung makulot po yung buhok po ng customer nyo, pwede nyo po siyang i-blow dry po muna. And then, after that, kailangan painitin nyo po yung curler. And then, gagawin po natin, sectioning po natin ng magkabila po dun sa may bangs. Kasi isa po dun, and then isa din po sa kabila. So, bali, tatlo lang po yung gagawin natin na section.
I will do big one. You see the one I showed to Bauna, how to make like this curve?
He don't know. All work he does know, madam. Only little they are boring quickly. I tell how to apply. I will teach for waxing. After they are not asking why this one coming scratch.
He should know only like not only how to apply. She should know also if this one is sensitive skin.
I will show. See my hand. They are not asking. They are ignoring because they are following for ate, no? I don't know ate what ate. I tell it's okay. Up to you. For me no problem.
If she follow, nothing. Still not answer.
I'm thinking why they are asking how much.
And she
We
already.
don't know how much. So he feel no need money maybe. Not pay.
Maybe she think because she didn't finish the haircut. But only haircut is like already free, no?
If they want discount, no need to discount.
No, I will not give discount, Raman. How many times, no? Excuse me. Before she start, I told already, no? But if you do, maybe you make put inside this one, Raman. Because if this one up, it will mark. Only I will make. Like you will do,
Retro, no?
yeah, like this, no? And then this one up, no. You make like this. And make roll down. So will not make mark up.
If up
Like there is
bend,
mark.
bend, no? If you make madam like inside, downside. Not nice. Plasm upside.
That's nice. Like this, down. Not volume. You know this one, my friend my colleague before, no?
Yeah.
How many years already that one? But it's still not doing like But if this real hair, you need to put clip, no? So there is curve. Like this. Put clip from here.
You are using very big this one. Lazum needs small. Why? If you are using small one, lazum coming like that, even small. But this one big.
No,
If long hair, it's okay.
it depends from the customer. You see, another customer, she wants big waves, retro. So you will use this big. If the small one,
Because my madam doing for this one no retro too much in my salon. This one like 20 BD, like expensive,
yeah, retro
expensive.
2025.
Yeah, expensive, but they have another machine. They are putting inside and oven. Very nice this one. I am coming out and first time. Even I go how many salon
Maybe that's one only.
like that inside both after you remove and this special inside. It's coming out two. Same rod.
Maybe only she's the one here.
Maybe I don't know. Now they don't like their makeup. How many call I got?
Oh, calendar.
Three already. They tell call me 3 o'clock. I wake up. I go.
No traffic.
One. What again? Kaya update ka mag. Changa bye bye. खाता मेरी रिस्पांसिबिलिटी का. ओ काम कर. कोई तू करो ना. अगर तुम दिवाली के तभी क्वेश्चन करने का बात है. अरे वो मला कदे गाल खाता. One time like that. When they are doing terrace, so they have all driver. Testing.
His car from company.
Yeah,
That's
company
your car.
car. This one all driver different, no? This one different, another different, even different have kharab, they are not giving. Our responsibility.
Sometimes my technique, I'm starting from here. And then going. That's fast. Like, you can do like this, but now I want
Like that?
yeah.
Same ate?
No, this one, like the hair going there. But if the customer wants side, so not like this. Your curler should be like this. If like this side. But this one I want little bit volume.
Customer want inside make like that and make it.
Huh?
Please standing up. Sometimes cannot perform quickly. Small.
Yeah.
Original madam. Oh, customer lazim small.
Only I'm making quickly just to show.
You make video
Yeah.
after making fast.
And this is the right side. So from here, it's very easy. Like normal and it's opposite. I'll start by. It depends for you.
No, Hydra machine. India also not expensive.
Hydra machine. I think you can even already salon can take Hydra machine now.
Yeah.
Not same before.
But the problem, this one also need training, no?
Of course, na so you will know which type of skin. Not only direct, you will put, I want this one. Okay. It's not showing.
I see even some ladies they buy Hydra machine. They buy machine only. This one machine.
I think the machine is cheaper already.
Yeah. Why? Because India too much facial. India people facial. Here, no?
Yeah.
They having too much hair, but India facial.
Now here in Bahrain, like Derma Clinic. So they get some of this. It's easy for mannequin. But real hair, oh, maybe she has soft hair.
Yeah.
You can do quickly. But real hair, no, 15 minutes you cannot do, even short. Because you need to put heat. Like 2 step like